Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Heeral and today I am going to share a breakfast recipe with you how to make upma. Let's get started. First, turn on the flame and in an iron kadhai add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. We need to roast the suji with the ghee. When the ghee is melted, add 1 cup of suji. We also call it rava and semolina. Keep on mixing it and roast till it turns to a little brownish in shade. Why I'm using iron kadhai is because it has a heavy bottom which prevents the suji from not burning quickly. You need to keep the gas flame to low so that it doesn't burn. After some time you would notice there will be a change in color of suji. Once this is nicely roasted, keep this aside and into a iron kadhai again add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then to the hot oil add 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 teaspoons of rye. Add 1 teaspoon of hing and 1/4 cup of peanuts. Add 10 to 11 curry leaves. Mix it well and then add one medium-sized finely chopped onion. Saute this till rawness of the onion goes away. Once this is sauteed, add one medium-sized chopped green chili and again mix it. Then to this add one small-sized finely diced tomato. Now into this mixture we need to add the rava that we have roasted earlier. Now once you have mixed the rava, add 3 to 4 cups of boiling water and mix it nicely. If required, you can add more water. Now to add more taste to our upma, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now here I'm going to serve my hot upma into an handi. You can serve this in a bowl as well. This is a perfect treat to serve in breakfast. For more such wonderful treats, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.